At Sika, we have a range of tile adhesives. SikaCeram 80 ceramic yenye inatumika for all your ceramic tiles. Hii hapa ni SikaCeram 205 granite yenye unatumia ukifanya granite tiles na pia ukifanya tiles kwa swimming pools. Hii hapa ni SikaCeram 105 porcelain yenye unatumia for all your porcelain tile. For one to use SikaCeram 105 porcelain effectively, you need the following. 1. Bucket. 2. A jar for measuring your water, a notched straw, an electric paddle mixer, and your product, which is SikaCeram 105. Ukiangalia nyuma ya mfuko ya SikaCeram 105 porcelain umeandikwa kiwango cha maji ambacho unafaa utumie. So for 105 porcelain you can use 7.25 liters to 7.5 liters. I will weigh out now my 7.25 liters. I will weigh out my 7.25 liters using my calibrated jar. So now I'm gonna mix my 105 porcelain. So my water is, as you can see, my water is ready. So after mixing continuously for 2 to 3 minutes, you can see what we have here is a ramp-free, homogeneously mixed products. Don't forget to wash your machine since the product is condensatious. So next, application. perfect solution for your walls, non-slip.